Hey guys, alright, so jumping right into it, I'm taking a yellow reddish eyeshadow and I'm going to start that as to use it by my base. I'm taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going to sweep that all over my eyelids. I really want to make sure that this is nice and blended, so this is going to take quite a while to blend out. I usually sweep it in a back and forth motions. I'm very light, so I'm not pressing too hard, so I'm making sure I'm blending everything in. And as you can see, I'm bringing my eyeshadow out to about the tip of my eyebrows just because I like my eyeshadow big and dramatic, just like me, you know? Alright guys, so basically just make sure you're keeping it going in a back and forth motion. Make sure it's really smoothed out and blended. And don't worry if it doesn't look like anything yet, because after adding all the other colors, it will come together and look all beautiful like you, boo. For extra added support, I bring in another fluffy brush and I'm really blending it out. Like I said, I don't like messy eyeshadow looks, so I'm just blending and blending and blending and blending. Alright guys, moving on to the next color, I am bringing this reddish, pinkish eyeshadow onto my lids. So now I'm really going to try to focus it into the crease of my eyeshadow. I'm not going to bring it all over my lids. I really want to focus it so when you open your eyes you also get that red, but it's not over too dramatic and it's not all over your eyelids. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I'm taking Smarty Pants. It's like a light pink, and I'm going to put it on a flat brush, and I'm going to pat it all over my eyelids. I'm not going to bring it up into the crease because I want this color to be centered on my lids. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, again, to blend it all out so it does not look uneven and it's nice and blended. And here I'm just taking this red from the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this deep red and putting it into my crease for the added support to give it a more reddish smoky look, because I love this color so much, y'all. And then you're just going to keep blending away. The secret is blending, guys. Alright guys, and that's it. 3 simple colors, nothing more. And I already applied my white eyeliner. If you want to see how I apply my liquid eyeliner, please check out my link below. I made a video on how to apply eyeliners for beginner. And then you're just going to finish your look off with falsies and your favorite lip color, and you're ready to go, boo. And then here I'm just taking the second eyeshadow that we used and putting it along my waterline to give that look a little bit more dramatic look, and so the bottom eyelids don't look too boring. And that's it guys, that's all there is to this look.